and I'm on my way to where the air is new. Let's not start that way. Okay. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and this over here, this is Nanaboozhoo. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, get out of here, will you? Anyway, now please welcome Nanaboozhoo. Take it away, baby. Oh, thank you so much. BOOZHOO, Kakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Oh, wow. It is so good to be here with you today, sweetie. Can I tell you something? What's that? Gizakain. I love you. Aw, me too. So, today's... I'm sorry. What now? I said me too. I love you too. Well, yeah, I know that's, Gizagain, I love you. That's our Ojibwe phrase of the day. And, I mean, not to make a thing out of it, but, technically, I said, I love you. And you responded with, me too. Yeah, so? Well, it's just, that's fine, but it's kind of like saying, you agree that you too, that I love you, and in turn, you also love you. So, I mean, that's fine, but I guess I was open for a little more. Oh, come on now, don't be like that. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. It's not passive aggressiveness. Nah. Today's Ojibwe word. Zage. Love. Or you could say Zaga iri win. But if you want to say I love you, you say Gizagain. I love you. And in this case, it's like me. Sweetie, Natasha, Gizagain. I love you. Yeah, I know. Me too. That's what I'm talking about. You're supposed to say, I love you too. Oh, right. Gizagain, Nanaboozhoo. There, it's better. Gizagain. I love you. And this has been your Ojibwe phrase of the day. Gizagain. Go tell somebody that you love them. And then, get a little butthurt when you don't like their answer. No. All right. So, sweetie, you want to send us out? Sure. Well, everybody, just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nanaboozhoo. Okay. And I will see you again. Yigalabamim, Minawa, Hawa. Oh, what? How was that? Oh, that was great. Yeah. He's like an eat, sweetie. I love you. That's great. Oh, thanks, sweetie. Oh, go ahead. Should we try to sing, No, let's quit while we're ahead. Good idea.